Everyone, my name is Tessia Hams and welcome to my YouTube. I'm here to share facial scrub. These are the ingredients I will be using. This is NESCAFE Classic. This is what I have at hand that I will be using to make my facial scrub. Then if you have any kind of coffee you want to use, you can use the coffee, no problem. It's not a problem. And I'm going to be mixing it with cocoa. This is virgin coconut oil. So this is what I'm going to be using to mix it. And then I'll be adding little of honey in it just to give it that wetness. So watch out how I'm going to mix it. This is my coffee. I'm going to mix it in this bowl. You know, I'm just going to be taking just few spoons, just 1 spoon or 1.5 is okay, just for your face. But before I mixed up everything, I would like to clean up my face. You make sure you take off your makeup, you know, you wipe your face. So that is what I do. Make sure your face is very clean. Then you take a clean one just to make sure everything is out. To be taking 1 spoon of this cocoa, extra virgin coconut oil, and add to it. So just have to push it in, then you mix it together. Just something that will help the face scrub to come together, to stick together. Then so you can see the way I'm mixing it. You have to mix it very well. The cocoa scrub will help your skin. It helps to clear away the dead skin cells, and it helps to purify your skin and makes it more bright, and then helps it to glow very well. So that is what it literally do to your skin. Sometimes if you think the coconut oil have really congealed, you can just give it a bit warm, or you put it in a bowl of water. But I think it's okay like this because it's really working very well this way. You can see how I'm mixing it, and it is really working well. It has really mixed very well. Now you can see I just cleaned my face and it's very clean now. So I can now apply this and leave it for at least 30 minutes on my face. So let me show you how I do it. You just take with your clean hands and you apply it to your face, just the way I'm doing. You can feel the coffee. I love the smell. So this way you apply it on your face. It's a face scrub. So this is how I do mine. Just feel like sharing with you guys, and it's very good, and it's very natural. Coffee is a very natural product to use on your face, you know, for sensitive skin. It's very good, and the coconut oil is as well okay for the skin. So you can see what I'm doing. You can go down to your neck area, but now I'm not going to do so because I'm not prepared for that for my neck area. So I'm just concentrating now on my face. So you just give it a scrub, a rub, you know, you scrub your face, you know, just this way, circular motion. You just go underneath your eye here, you scrub. You make sure you go by the side of this your face. Concentrate here, you know, that place you have issue. This is what I do. Even you can also scrub your lips. So I will leave it for a while, for at least 30 minutes on your face. Then after the 30 minutes, before you wash off your face, you have to give it another scrub. Then after giving it a scrub, you wash your face with warm water. So that is what you use to wash out this marks, this scrub from your face. So I'm going to show you the outcome once I wash it off my face. So but like I said, make sure you scrub your face again before washing it off with warm water. Then after using warm water, you can as well use cold water to do the finishing. Then after that, you can put any facial moisturizing cream for your face that you use just to hydrate it. You don't need to wear makeup, because you will see your face glow instantly. So that is what it does. Okay, watch out. Yeah, I'm back now. You can see I've just finished washing my face, you know, with warm water, and then later I used cold water to wash it off again. And as you can see, I feel very refreshed on my skin, on my face. You know, it gives your skin this softness like a baby skin. So that is what I feel. That is how the feeling is. As you can see, my face, I'm not wearing makeup at the moment, which is not even necessary. I can this way without makeup. So this is just the result of how the scrub, the coffee with cocoa scrub looks like. This is how it works, and it's very good and natural. It won't cause any damage to your skin. So that is what you should look out for when you are using a facial scrub. So this is what I have for you guys. If you like a video and you wish to get more of this type of video on beauty tips, can you please subscribe and then click the like button, and I will really appreciate you viewing my video. Thank you for watching. I am grateful. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye. See you next time.